Hi everyone, my name is Kin Hai and I've been a program manager for over 8 years in Silicon Valley. I've worked at large organizations like ServiceNow, Genentech, SVB, and I've won various C-level awards at every one of those organizations. I also have an MBA and a master's in machine learning. Most recently, I've taken MIT courses in advanced machine learning as well as prompt engineering. All of that was because I wanted to make a shift from program management to product management. But there's a difference between understanding AI and shipping AI products. I've taken the course, but I needed hands-on experience, actually building products, and that's when I found Dr. Nancy Lee's AI PM Bootcamp. Now, her program didn't just teach me frameworks, she made us ship. I formed a team, I developed product strategy, and I conducted user research, and finally I pitched my products in front of a large audience on demo day. Now, for the first time, I had real AI products in my portfolio and real working knowledge of how to apply my skill set. Now, that experience gave me the confidence I needed to launch my own venture today. Today, I'm the founder and CEO of Mira AI Assistant, and we're launching in February 2026. Now, if you're like me and want to make that transition into PM as well as AI PM, I highly recommend you check out Dr. Nancy Lee's program. It's really where you go from learning to launching, going from 0 to 1. I hope you enjoyed my message, and please feel free to reach out to me on LinkedIn. Thank you very much, and I'll talk to everyone later.